Good morning, students. Okay, very good morning. Let us start today's session. How do you come
I
to
come
school?
to school by auto.
Okay, by auto. Kathleen, how do you come to school?
I come to school by cycle.
Okay, by cycle. So, Chandana, here is a picture of a cycle for us. What shape do the wheels of this cycle resembles?
The wheels of a cycle resembles a circle.
Is they resemble circle shape. Today, let us discuss different shapes and different views. Mercy, name some indoor games.
Some indoor games are chess, carrom board, and snake and ladder.
Yes, here is a chess board and snake and ladder board with me. What shape do these boards
They
resemble?
resemble square shape.
Yes, they resembles square shape. Pardu, newspaper and our national flag. What shape do these resembles?
Our national flag resembles a rectangle shape.
Yes, they resembles rectangle shape. Pasha, here is a hanger with me. It is used to hang clothes. What shape it resembles?
The hanger resembles triangle shape.
Say it clearly.
The hanger resembles triangle shape.
Yes, it resembles triangle shape. So now let us discuss the edges and corners of all the plane shapes and solid shapes. What is an edge? An edge is a line segment on the boundary. This is a square. This is one of the boundary, one of the line segment of this square. This square is bounded with four such line segments. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This square is bounded with four line segments. These line segments are called edges. Edge is nothing but a side. Now let us see the corners. What is a corner? A corner is a point where two lines meet. This is one line and this is the other line. These two lines meet here and this point it is called as its corner. Now, Sahasra, what is this shape?
That is a square shape.
Yes, this is a square. So, what is a square?
A square is a plain figure with four edges and four corners. In a square, all the four sides are equal.
Yes, a square is a plain figure with four edges, four corners, and all the sides are equal. So let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has four edges. Let us see the corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has four edges and four corners. Now, Sahasra, can you give two examples for this square?
Examples for square are slate and carrom board.
Slate and carom board. Now, let us see a video related to the square.
Catty has written a lovely rhyme on plain figures. Let's listen to it. Triangle, rectangle, circle and square. You will find these shapes everywhere. Listen to this rhyme I want to share that should make you a little more aware. Look at the seat of this chair. Four corners and four straight sides are there. When all sides are equal, you know it's a square.
Yes, here is a seat of a chair. It is given there. Here the corners and sides are also shown. All the sides are equal. It is called as a square. Now let us move on with the next shape. Vaishnavi, what is this shape? Vaishnavi, what is this shape?
That is a circle.
Yes, it is a circle. So what is a
A
circle?
circle is a plane figure with one curved side and zero corners.
Yes, a circle is a plane figure with one curved side and zero corners. So here it has only one curved side and zero corners, no corners in it. Can you give two examples for this circle, Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am. Example for circle are bangle and earrings.
Bangle and earring. Now let us see a video related to this circle.
Hey, look how I roll this wheel on the ground. Here's one curved side, but no corners are found. It's called a circle.
Yes, here the wheels of a cycle are given. So here no corners are there. It has only one curved side. So now let us move on with the next shape. Neha, what is this shape?
That is a rectangle shape.
Yes, this is a rectangle. What is a rectangle?
A rectangle is a plane figure with four edges and four corners. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
Rectangle is a plane figure with four edges, four corners, and opposite sides are equal. So here the edges are 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 edges. Let us see the corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4 corners. It has 4 edges and 4 corners. So in this, only opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. Neha, can you give two examples for a rectangle?
Examples for rectangle are paper and flag.
Paper and flag. So before seeing a video, Pranati, the square and a rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. But what is the main difference between a square and a rectangle?
In a square, all sides are equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
Yes, in a square, all the 4 sides are equal, but in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Now let us see a video on
When
rectangle.
it's perfectly round. This photo frame has a picture that is dear. 2 long sides and 2 short sides are here. With opposite sides equal and 4 corners to go, makes it a rectangle for you to know.
Yes, a rectangle, it has 4 edges and 4 corners, but only opposite sides are equal in this rectangle. Now let us move on with the next shape. Yashasri, what is this shape?
That is a triangle.
Yes, it is a triangle. So what is a triangle?
A triangle is a plane figure with three edges and three corners.
Yes, a triangle is a plane figure with 3 edges and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 edges. And let us see the corners. 1, 2, and 3. 3 corners. Vaishnavi, can you give 2 examples for this triangle?
Examples for triangle are roof of a hut, hanger.
Yes, roof of a hut and hanger are the examples for triangle. Now let us see a video related to this triangle.
For you to know. This sign shows where a road crossing would be. Its shape has 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3. When corners are 3, it's a triangle, you see?
Yes, here a triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners, 3 straight sides. Side is nothing but edge and 3 corners are there. This is all about the plain figures. Now let us move on with the solid figures. We all love to play snake and ladder game. Pranav, what all things we need to play snake and ladder game?
We use snake and ladders, both dice and coins.
Yes, we use snake and ladder board, dice and coins. Pranav, what is this?
It is a dice, ma'am.
Yes, it is a dice. What shape it resembles? Say it loudly.
It resembles cube shape.
Yes, it resembles cube shape. Here, one more shape is there. What is this shape?
It is a cube, ma'am.
Yes, it is a cube. What is a cube?
A cube is a solid figure with 12 edges, 8 corners, and 6 faces.
Yes, a cube is a solid figure with 12 edges, 8 corners, and 6 faces. Now let us see the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 edges at the top and 4 edges at the bottom and 4 edges at the side. So in all it has 12 edges. Now let us see the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners at the top and 4 corners at the bottom. So in all it has 8 corners. So let us see the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces. In all, a cube has 12 edges, 8 corners, and 6 faces. Now, Pranav, can you give 2 examples for this cube?
Examples for cube are Rubik cubes and dice.
Yes, Rubik cubes and dice are the examples for the cube. Now let us see a video on this cube.
Hi friends, I'm going to introduce you to some geometrical solid shapes that you come across in daily life. Look at this dice. Have you ever wondered what its shape is? Well, it is shaped like a cube. Here is one of the flat surfaces of the cube. It is called a face. A cube has 6 such faces. Each face is square in shape. The line where 2 faces meet is called an edge. A cube has 12 such edges. The point where edges meet is called a corner. A cube has 8 corners. We saw that a dice is shaped like a cube. Can you think of any other object that is cube-shaped? Well, have a look at this Rubik's Cube.
Yes, a cube has 6 faces. All the faces resembles square shape. It has 12 edges and 8 corners. Examples for this cube are dice and Rubik cubes. Now let us move on with the next shape. Tejasri, what is the shape of your geometry box?
cuboid.
Yes, it is cuboid. So what is this shape?
Cuboid.
Yes, it is cuboid shape. What is
A cuboid is a
Cuboid.
solid figure with 12 edges, 8 corners, 6 faces. In a cuboid, opposite faces are equal.
Yes, a cuboid is a solid figure with 12 edges, 8 corners, 6 faces, and opposite faces are equal. So let us see the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 edges at the top and 4 edges at the bottom, and at the side 4 edges. So in all, a cuboid has 12 edges. So let us see the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners at the top and 4 corners at the bottom. So in all, a cuboid has 8 corners. Now let us see the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 faces. So a cuboid has 12 edges, 8 corners, and 6 faces. Tejasri, can you give 2 examples for this cuboid?
Examples for cuboid are gold bar and duster.
Gold bar and duster are the examples. Now let us see a video on this cuboid.
Here's a pencil box. Its shape is similar to that of a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. Each face is rectangular in shape. A cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Besides the pencil box, several objects in our daily life are shaped like cuboids. Have a look at this matchbox.
Yes, a cuboid has 6 faces. All the faces resembles rectangular shape. It has 12 edges, 8 corners. Pencil box and matchbox are the examples for cuboid. Now let us move on with the next shape. Chakrika, what is the shape of your water bottle?
The shape of my water bottle is cylinder.
Yes, it is cylinder in shape. Here I'll show you one more shape. What is this? What
That is
shape?
a cylindrical shape.
Yes, it is a cylindrical in shape. So what is a cylinder?
A cylinder is a solid figure with 3 faces, 2 edges, and 0 corners.
Yes, a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 corners. Now let us see the faces. One curved face, and 2 flat faces. In all, it has 3 faces. Let us see the edges. This is one edge and this is the other edge. So it has 2 edges and no corners in this cylinder. It has 0 corners. Chakrika, can you give 2 examples for this cylinder?
Examples for cylinder are tube light, gas cylinder.
Tube light and gas cylinder. Now let us see a video on this cylinder.
Look at this soft drink can. Its shape is similar to a cylinder. A cylinder has 2 identical flat circular faces and 1 curved face. So, it has 3 faces in total. Did you notice that there are 2 edges in a cylinder? But what about corners? Do you see any? Aha! This shape does not have any corners. A soft drink can is shaped like a cylinder. How about this dustbin? It's also cylindrical in shape, isn't it?
Yes, a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 identical flat circular faces and 1 curved face. It has 2 edges and 0 corners. So now let us move on with the next shape. Grishma, we all love to eat ice cream cones. What shape does the cone resembles?
The ice cream cone resembles cone shape.
Yes, cone shape. Here is a shape with me. What is this shape?
That is a cone shape.
Yes, it is a cone shape. What is a cone?
A cone is a solid figure with 2 faces, 1 edge, and 1 corner.
Yes, a cone is a solid figure with 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 corner. So it has 1 curved face and 1 flat face and one edge and one corner. So, can you give two examples for this cone, Sahasra?
Examples are joker hat and birthday cap.
Joker hat and birthday cap. Now, let us see a video related to this cone.
I'm sure you all love ice cream cones. But have you ever wondered what its shape is? The shape of an ice cream cone is similar to a geometrical solid shape called cone. A cone has a flat circular face and a curved face. It has only one edge and one corner, which is also known as the vertex. Besides ice cream cones, the party caps that we wear on birthdays are also cone shaped.
Yes, in a cone, we have two faces, one flat circular face and a curved face, one edge and one corner. Ice cream cone and party caps are the examples for this cone shape. Now let us move on with the next shape. We all love playing games. Saugant, what is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Is cricket. Then what all things you need to play this cricket?
I use cricket bat, ball and wickets.
Yes, cricket bat, ball, wickets. Here is a ball with me. What shape it resembles?
It resembles spherical shape.
Yes, it resembles spherical shape. Now, what is a spear?
A sphere is a solid figure with zero edges, zero corners and one curved face.
Yes, it in a spear it has zero edges, zero corners, and one curved face. And this is the face of this spear, this ball. It has only one curved face, no edges and no corners, and the spherical shape. Saugan, can you give two examples for the spear?
Examples are globe and marble.
Globe and marble. Now let us see a video on the spear.
I just love playing basketball. Did you know that a basketball is shaped like a sphere? A sphere has just one curved face. It does not have any edges and corners. Besides the basketball, the planet Earth is also shaped like a sphere.
Yes, in a spear, we have only one curved face, no edges and no corners. Basketball and planet Earth is also one of the example for this sphere. Till now, we learned all the solid shapes and plane shapes. Now, let us have a quiz on these shapes. Sahasra, you have to read the question. You have to read the options also.
Choose the option which has a matching shape to the one given. A triangle, B triangle, C square, D sphere. Answer C, madam.
See, okay, let us see whether it is right or wrong. Yes, you are right. Pranav, read the next question.
This is a dash. Option A triangle, option B square, option C rectangle, option D circle. Option D circle, ma'am.
Option B, D, circle. Okay, let us see. Yes, you are correct. Neha,
Which of the following matches with the given shapes? A. Cuboid. C. B. Cone. C. Sphere. D. Circle. B. Cone, madam.
Okay, let us see. Yes, you are correct. Next, Saugand.
This is a dash. A square, B rectangle, C triangle, D circle. C triangle, madam.
C triangle. Okay, let us see. Yes, you are correct. Chandana.
Pick the odd one out. Option A triangle, option B circle, option C cone, option D triangle. Option B, ma'am.
Option B. Okay, let us see. Yes, you are correct. Pasha.
Madam, which figure has a circle and a triangle? D, ma'am.
D. Okay, let us see.
No, ma'am. B, ma'am.
B. Okay. So you are wrong, Pasha. Pasha, the figure should have circle and a triangle in it.
D, ma'am.
Yes, D. Okay, let us see whether D is right or wrong. Just give me 2 seconds. Yes, now let us continue it. Here, so now, yes, Pranav.
The solid shape shown in the image is a dash. A cuboid, B cylinder, C cone, D sphere. D sphere, ma'am.
Okay, sphere. Let us see whether it is right or wrong. Yes, you are correct. Till now, we learned the solid shapes and plane shapes. Now, let us move on with the next topic. Yes. Pranati, what is this picture?
It is a car, madam.
Yes, it is a car. When this car or any object, it is seen in different views. It appears in different ways, but the object does not changes. Only our view changes. When this car is viewed in its front view, its breadth and height can be seen. When this car is seen from its side, its length and height can be seen. When this car is seen from its top, its length and breadth can be seen. Now let us see a video on different views of the objects.
Pasha has been clicking a lot of pictures lately with his new camera. Let's take a look at some of the pictures Pasha has clicked. Wow! These are really nice pictures of Catty. This picture is the front view of Catty. It gives us an idea of her height and breadth.
Yes, in the front view, the height and breadth of the catty can be seen.
Hmm. This is the side view of Catty. It indicates her length and height.
Yes, in the side view of any object, we can observe the height and the length of the catty or any other object.
Look, this picture has been taken from above Catty. It is the top view. It gives us a good idea of her length and breadth.
Yes, in the top view, we observe the breadth and length of the catty.
Pasha has indeed clicked some good pictures. Let's take a look at some more. What a lovely red car. Can you spot its front view from among these pictures?
Pranati.
Click the correct picture.
Pranati.
Madam. Yeah, madam.
See?
You are right. This is the front view of the car. Here are some pictures of Gia's teddy bear. Can you spot its side view? Click the correct picture.
Chandana.
Option B, ma'am.
That's correct. This is the side view of the teddy bear. Here are some pictures of Pasha's sports shoe. Which among them shows the top view? Click the correct picture.
Now Pranav.
Option C, madam.
That's correct. This is the top view of the shoe. Look at these pictures of a sofa. Which among them is the side view? Click the correct picture.
Saugand.
Option A, madam.
Excellent. This is the side view of the sofa. Pasha is arranging all his pictures in an album. He can't wait to show his album to his friends.
Okay, till now we learned all the plane shapes, solid shapes and different views. And for tomorrow, your homework is you have to make a beautiful picture using the 2D and 3D, that is plane shapes and solid shapes. Okay, thank you students.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.